Today it's all about green beans, and it's a fresh vegetable that is so easy to prepare. The recipe is going to be simple and doesn't require a lot of ingredients, and the outcome is going to be some delicious and flavorful green beans. This simple stir-fry recipe is best served over some rice or chapati, and trust me, you're going to enjoy each and every bite. Green beans are a good source of protein, iron, and folate, and also they have fiber, making the green beans very nutritious and healthy. To get started, you're going to wash your green beans and chop into bite-sized pieces. I've already prepped the rest of the ingredients. I have some carrots, tomatoes, onions, garlic, and ginger, and a few spices. To your stove top over medium-high flame, you're going to add in your cooking oil and add in your onion. Saute your onions until soft. When the onions are soft, I'm going to add in my crushed garlic and ginger. Cook for around 30 seconds until the garlic and ginger is fragrant. Next, you're going to add in your chopped up carrots. Stir in the carrots. I've started by cooking my carrots because they take a while to cook. So I'm going to be cooking for around 1 to 2 minutes over medium-low flame. This is to soften up the carrots. I'm going to be adding in some very mild and flavorful spices. So I'm going to be adding in some garlic powder, paprika, cumin, and black pepper. Also, I'm going to be adding in some seasoning cubes. I'm going to be using beef seasoning cubes. You can also use vegetable seasoning cubes. I find that beef seasoning cubes add a lot of flavor to my green beans. Crush my seasoning cubes using my spatula and stir in the spices. At this point, I'm going to be adding in blended tomatoes. Stir in. Add in some tomato paste. Stir in. And because I've added in tomato paste and tomatoes, I'm going to be adding in a pinch of sugar to my pan so that I can neutralize the acidity of the tomatoes. You're going to cook your tomatoes, carrots, and all the flavorful spices for around a minute until everything is cooked down. And over here, I have a tablespoon of cornstarch. I'm going to be adding in a splash of water, and this is to thicken our sauce. When you notice that the oil is separated from the tomatoes are ready. So I'm going to be adding in my green beans. Add in half a cup of water. Stir in. The reason I've added the green beans as the last ingredient for this recipe is because the green beans cook very fast. So I'm going to give my stir fry about a minute, and then I'm going to add in my cornstarch so that I can thicken up the sauce. Next, I'm going to add in my thickening agent and stir in. Look how gorgeous the green beans are looking together with the carrots. This is a nice way that you can include vegetables in your diet because it's cheap and also it's so delicious. I love the outcome. It's glossy, it's thick, and also the vegetables are cooked through, making the stir fry so good and delicious. Hope you'll be trying out this cheap and budget-friendly recipe. Catch you on my next episode. Bye.